Hello my people, welcome back to the channel where we dey talk am as e dey hot. Wahala no dey finish for Naija o. Dis time e don happen again for Nnamdi Kanu trial matter. My people, Kanu legal team don pull one master stroke wey scatter everywhere, even the federal government and the judge no see am coming. Today gist go shock you because e be like say the entire case don turn upside down after Kanu defence move expose some things wey many people never believe fit happen inside Nigeria court. So grab your popcorn, sit down well make I break dis matter for una. Abeg if you never subscribe so dat dis video go reach many Nigeria because dis channel na here we dey talk am hot hot as e dey happen. According to the latest update, Nnamdi Kanu legal defence just drop one heavy motion for court and dat motion dey cause serious storms. The motion dey challenge the legality of the entire prosecution, exposing how certain key evidence and procedure no follow due process. Report even talk say the judge sef shock. Some insider claim say the federal government legal team no even expect dat kind technical knockout from Kanu lawyers. As one person talk for Twitter, dis Kanu team no come play o, dem just turn the case on its head. My people, social media don scatter right now, so make we break am down small small. Nnamdi Kanu, the Igbo leader, dey face multiple charges including legal treasonable and felony and terrorism related offence, but his defence team led by senior advocate Eloy Ejiofor drop one legal bombshell. Dem claim say most of dis charges no get constitutional standing because the extraordinary rendition of Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria in 2021 still never resolve. Dat argument alone don shake the foundation of the case. Inside court, Kanu lawyer reportedly point out inconsis ten cies for the prosecution document and my people, the judge was visibly uncomfortable as observe bin whisper say dis one don expose plenty things o. Nigeria in trouble. Now Nigeria dey ask if dis motion hold water, e mean say the federal case fit collapse just like dat. If dis offence move succeed, my people, e go change everything. E fit mean total acquittal from Kanu or even trigger another round of diplomatic wahala between Nigeria and Kenya. Some analysts don talk say dis legal master stroke no just dey about Kanu alone, e dey expose loopholes inside how justice dey handle for Nigeria. One commentator talk say if dis motion stand, e go embarrass the federal government and open the judiciary to fresh scrutiny. So you see am, dis no be small case again o, e don turn to national drama. Now we go talk am, and now make we check wetin Nigeria dey talk online. Ada Chinedu talk say Kanu lawyers are the real MVPs, dey just school the federal government live in court. Wahala. Another one talk say Satiga reply say dis judge better handle dis matter carefully before Nigeria lose faith completely in the system. Another person, Obinna politics, come ask say no be today federal government dey play legal hint and seek, but dis time Kanu team don catch dem red handed. Social media don catch fire. My people, some dey celebrate Kanu legal team while others dey fear say dis case fit spark fresh political ten sion for the southeast. Remember say Few weeks ago, similar legal drama happen for Abuja wen the court strike out part of the terrorism charges against Kanu. Dat one alone give hint say Kanu lawyers get deeper strategies. Dis new masterstroke just confirm am. My pipu, make I tell una my own. Honestly, I no go lie, dis kind tweet dey sweet me and e scare, e dey scary also. At the same time, sweet because e show say brain still dey for Nigeria legal system. Scary because if justice no dey do well, wahala fit still burst again oo. At dis point, even I no know whom to trust again oo. The system or the lawyers wey don outsmart am. But one thing dey sure, dis case go change plenty things for Nigeria politics and law. Anyway my pipu, make una tell me for comment section, you think say Kanu legal master stroke go sit or go set him free at last, or federal government go find another way to tweak the matter again? Drop your thought below. I dey read all your comment. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe so you do not miss any update. Do not miss the next update. Subscribe. Interesting days ahead my pipu. Make una stay tuned. Now let me allow you guys to lis ten to some of the video clips and hear what others people are saying on the street about this video.
Right, Dr. Bati, I mean, talking about this whole court process, this dramatic shift in strategy from listing 23 high-profile witnesses to refusing to mount any defense at all. Legal experts argue that it represents a high-risk legal gamble by challenging the very legal foundation of the charges rather than contesting the facts. Well, Kanu essentially asked the court to dismiss the case entirely. Dr. Bati, your thoughts on both stories?
First, let's look at some of the details. Before now, Nnamdi Kanu and his counsel, they had entered a plea of no case objection before the Court of Justice, James Omotosho, the trial judge, and the court said he had a case to answer. In other words, that no case submission was dismissed. And it was on the basis of that that the court now said he and his lawyers should enter the defense. The prosecution, having provided evidence and completed his presentation. Now, when they appeared in court again, Nnamdi Kanu said he was sacking his lawyers in open court. It is a prerogative of the accused person to say, well, I don't want to use these lawyers again. Upon which he then decided to defend himself. It is also within his right to say that he would defend himself. But having talked about 23 witnesses, he has now turned around to say what you refer to as high-risk gamble, that he had no defense to enter because he didn't think that there was any case in the matter. However, it is high risk because one, he doesn't understand the legal issues involved. He has no legal experience. He doesn't know what the precedents are. So that's why the lawyers you quoted said it's a gamble. How is he going to defend himself? But he has other options to him, available to him. The court of law is a court of justice for the accused person and also for the state. And in that regard, the options available to Nnamdi Kanu now, one, he can say, well, he has heard what the prosecution has said, but he thinks he has no case. That will now be for the court to determine. However, the court being the court of justice is also going to weigh the evidence, because the court will not just say, oh, because you say there is no case. The court has a duty to weigh